someday.
Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Riza. Thank you for clicking on my video to watch this. If you want to see more, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what type of videos you want to see from me. So today I'll be doing a short review for the brand Bali Body. They sent me some really great products, some that I've been using for a very long time, and some new ones that I haven't gotten to try yet because I just wasn't ever really into the self-tanning thing. I always wanted to wait until, you know, the summer to naturally tan, but you know, that patience ran very thin for me, and you know what, I'm just sick of being pale. So the fact that they wanted me to try these products out was a sign to me to say, yeah girl, get into it. So I'm going to be starting off with a quick makeup tutorial for an even glow, whether you self-tan or you know you were like me and you're going to wait it out but you just still want like a nice glow from within if your skin is a little lighter. So I'm using what I've been using for like a year now. It's the Bali Body BB cream. So I'll read the back for you guys. It's a multitasking beauty cream that combines hydrating skincare benefits to protect, correct, and perfect the skin while providing flawless coverage. You can wear this year-round no matter what your skin tone is, because I also read about it adjusting to your skin tone. So they have 4 tones. I chose natural. This is perfect for me because it adjusts to how dark my skin can get and also how light my skin can get. I already cleaned my face and moisturized it, so my skin is ready to go. So the way that it comes out, it's like this very light mousse. It's super lightweight on the skin, so it doesn't feel heavy at all. And I just like to tap. You don't need a lot either, which is really nice. I'm not a huge makeup person. Honestly, I think foundation is just too much. I personally like to apply it with a beauty blender. I would just like to put this on to protect my skin while also giving it this beautiful type of glow. I love it. So this is a product that I already love. I've loved for a very long time. You don't really need to use concealer. You don't really need to use a highlighter if you don't want to. There's a lot of facts and tips that you could read about Bali Body's BB cream as well as their other products. They're very informative on their Instagram page, which I will leave below, as well as their website. So they kind of take you through tutorials of how to use the BB creams and their bronzing lotions, so you could get the best glow.
I see nothing but stars. Why do I keep running? Running back to you. I cannot stop running. Running back to you. I just keep on running. Running back to you. I cannot stop running. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars.
So the last thing that I like to go in with to finish off my look is the Bali Body Coconut Lip Balm. It's one of my favorite lip balms ever because it tastes like coconuts. I don't eat this stuff, I promise. But it is tempting too. So I just like to take it out like that. And just massage it on my lips. This definitely is so nourishing and it tastes like summer. It does. So there you go. It's a very simple makeup look by Bali Body. It's very simple. Bali Body just makes it super easy for me. So that's why I really do love their product and everything that they pretty much come out with. So I'm excited to show you guys the next product. This is the Bali Body Bronzing Lotion. It's packed with a ton of really good ingredients for your skin, like vitamin E and natural oils. It's fast absorbing. It dries very fast while also giving you a really good glow, and it's vegan friendly, so that is a very good sign for me. I'm very particular about products that I use. I recently just purged a bunch of products that are borderline toxic, you know, carcinogenic, and this stayed. This passed the test. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I wore a strapless shirt so I could show you guys how it works and how it looks just on clean skin. The type of consistency that comes out, it's very lightweight, but it is thick. See, it blends super easily, spreads really nicely. This is just from one application. You could apply more applications to the desired color that you're looking for, but since this is like a sunless tan, I don't really like going overboard and achieving the type of color I would get from natural tanning. So to me, this is perfect. And yeah. So right now, my skin, like, it feels moisturized, but it's also dry. Like, it doesn't feel tacky or anything. It's just like super hydrated and just luxurious. You also get the underside too. This is like a tutorial for like tanning 101 because like Bali Body made me do it. I'm not blaming you guys. It's not the worst thing to be peer pressured into to self-tan, but it's a tanning oil company. Like, you had to be tan to do a review for this. Like, I was so thankful that they wanted to collaborate, but I was like, I'm a tan. Still thankful though. I made it work. I made it work. Another thing that they sent me, which I will have to wait to review because I'm not tan yet. This is like just self-tanner. It's not, you know, worn by me yet. It's their new pineapple tanning oil. They came up with like the most fun concepts for tanning oil, and on top of that, it's super nourishing for your skin. Another favorite of mine from them is their watermelon tanning oil. So this is very brand new. Oh my freaking god. This smells so good. I am so mad that it's not summer. Oh. Another thing I appreciated very much is that I can read the ingredient. With this, it's vitamin E, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, pineapple fruit extract, and I feel like I said vitamin E. I'll say it again, vitamin E, because it's a very good product for you. So I'm so excited to try this when it starts to get warm outside. Thank you so much, Bali Body, for sending this to me. Trust me, it will be used and it will be loved. You put this in very good hands. The last product that I want to show you guys is the Shimmering body oil. Guys, when this stuff comes out of the bottle, it's like, you know, it's like you're rubbing in $1 million. Like, maybe that's like a bad description. Either way, it's going to give you this beautiful shimmer. It even has, you know, like little tiny like specks of gold. It's just as simple as the bronzing lotion. It dries really fast and it doesn't transfer to clothes. So I feel like that's like a really big thing for people who self-tan or, you know, just want to like extend their tan. So just gotta shake it up. Shake. You could apply it as much as you want. It's not going to look like overdone or anything. Blends like coconut oil. So this is the tan side. So guys, this concludes my review of Bali Body. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and of course if you want to see more videos from me, please let me know by liking, commenting, and if you want to go a little extra, subscribe, because it really supports my channel and tells me that I'm doing something good. So, of course, I hope you guys have a great week, weekend, or whenever I have this published. So I also just wanted to thank Bali Body again for sending me these products, and of course reaching out to me, because it is such an honor to be working with a brand like you. I have loved you guys for a very long time, and I never would have thought that I would be able to work with you. So I hope that we get to work together again, and I hope you like this review. I hope it wasn't too bad. So, love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
It's so important to consider this question: what do I desire?